Right, so we're kind of stuck at the moment, in a way. Got a lot of wind on, so we can't get out. Oh shit, I just dropped my beer. No, that's precious. Jesus. It's turning out to be one of those days. Oh, turning out to be one of those days, hey. What more could be catastrophic than dropping one of your two beers? So where was I? Yeah, wind. We're kind of hobbled at the moment. We can't go out the reef. It's just the channel would be a nightmare, and heading home would be the same story. So I'm stuck in an island, and I'm going to have some snags, and hopefully go back and chase some more fish around the rocks and stuff like that, and just see. Wind is forecast to die off this afternoon. If that happens, we will bowl out to the reef. We're going to sleep out there tonight. I had hoped to go jigging sort of during the day, which we won't be able to do, but we'll just fart around the reef and see what we can get. And then tomorrow's a whole new adventure. But at the moment, just one catastrophe after another. Drop beers, no fish, too much wind. But if you soldier on, there's worse places you can get stuck, eh? Not bad. Not bad. So we're just going to fish. We're just going to fish top water, and I'm going to put on. What am I going to put on? Choices. I'll put on my nomad first off. So this spot could hold either giant GTs and queenfish. We'll be looking at. So I'm going to put on a big nomad riptide. It's a slow sink version. You can see it's been in the walls already. GTs love it. I've got that rigged with both trebles, and I want to put that out on the heavy gear. And I do love that's a Keeling 1600. It's a slow sink as well. I'll put that out on the 6, and then I'll put a popper out on the real like you for Queenies if they're there. So in addition to my my big stick baits, I've also got like a box full of mid-range size stickies. There's a great little Xeric poppers. I use these on Queenies all the time. They're fantastic. Mad Scouts, things like just smaller presentations. Even sometimes I use those on the GTs. I find they're not eating the real big size stick baits, which is not usual, but it can happen. So we'll use that for the Queenies. They love it. They love it. So this is the Ocean's Legacy. This is the Keeling 1600. They can bring out a model in a 200 size, which is great too. Fantastic stick baits, I reckon. It's got singles on it. You see it's a slow sink. So we are supposed to be out the reef right now, but that wind. So we're taking a bit of shelter here in this island. It's supposed to drop off after lunch. We'll just see what it does. Dead at the door now. Oh, that's a mackerel. Not that dead. Mackerel airstrike from a 1 foot long mackerel. Oh, there we go. Oh, big ball on that then. Big ball on that, come on. Oh yeah. So we've had a couple of hits and followed, but they're really half-assed, so they're not into it. Whales have more fun than anyone. There, but I just didn't turn around. They're right there. Not a good school. Not getting work, do you? Yeah. Oh, there's a oh, they're getting worked in there. Oh, oh, look at it go! Did you see that? He's on it, come on, on it! Oh, come on! Gotcha! Oh, what? There's the first cast. Oh, look at him down here. Free swimming. That's what we want to see. Oh, look at the free swimmers. Look at them all. Oh, there's a big boy down there with him. Look at that. Oh, trying to eat the lure out of his mouth. Oh, they're in a mood. They're in a mood. Oh, woo! How's the one with him? Trying to eat the stick bait in his mouth. Happy days. Oh, it's going to go over quick. Oh, woo! How's the mate trying to eat him? Look at this. And they're a bit going up. What a hit that was. Look at them all. Whew. Oh, it's like an aquarium. Woo! Alright, mate, let's get you off. That was too good. Oh, still swimming with him. Have a look at the size of him. Come on. We're gonna go. Shit. Ow. I'm in a mad hurry. I've just arrived at the reef. I've got about an hour and a half of light left. Sleeping out here tonight. Of course, I couldn't help myself. Had to have a throw at the fusies, and there are GTs everywhere. So, which is kind of dangerous because you want to get in on your anchorage with enough sun angle to see the bombing. So I'm gonna have a few more. Look at this bloke. Oh. First cast special. How good? I reckon we'll get one or two more. Right. Oh, that was epic. Clear music school right here. It's like raindrops on the water. They're always nervous as hell. They're new rockets on the beach, understandably. Living out here. Oh! GoPro. Woo! That's why they're neurotic. Wait. Nuts. Woo! Only a little one, that one. Only a little one. Right. Alright, battery change, we're back into it. I'm kind of in a pretty good spot right here. By that I mean, there's a really shallow reef up there and the edge is just here. So I like to cast up on that shallow and then wind off it into the deep water. Excited. Woo! Oh! I just... Oh no! Oh, I'll be following that. Still coming, coming, coming on me, look at them all! Oh, woo! Mental. Oh mate, there's so many big ones in there. Okay, let's do it again. Feed, oh, they're there. Feed him. You would not be a fusey for quids. They're behind me now. So, that's cool, they're all very nervous. Get round to me. Minutes. 4 minutes. Shit. He's only a little fella. I'm half a mind to run back to where that other pack of them was. Hey. Yeah, let's do it. This side is the one. I'm probably a bit shallow here. Oh, what a hit! Oh, missed it. Come on. Oh, far out. I knew he was out that side. Ah, wow. Oh, big fish. I tell you, for you fishers, there's one thing you ever get to experience in your life: trying to spend a night out in the reef. It's beautiful at the moment. Sun's about set, and at the same time, it's both stunning but very unnerving, especially when you're out on your own. But the forecast is great for tonight. I hope it holds. Each of the reef is up there, so I think he's all right. Pretty good. Pretty good. Wind's blowing that way, so I'm going to drop back a little bit that way, which is good. Pretty deep stuff down there. But now I never. Looks pretty good. We're in a good sort of patch of sand here, which is about 10 metres deep. It's even dead low in the middle of the night. We'll have water under us. The shallow reef's just here. But the wind's going to blow us that way all night, whatever wind there is. So, the theory is we're going to hang back off that edge, which is going to be perfect in this deeper pool. But that's why you do it. There's the island back in there, there's some whales. I'm a bit close to some bombies here. But if we hang back the way the wind is supposed to blow, then we should be right. And that's exactly what we're doing on the anchor rope. I just want to stand here for a while and sort of check which way the boat sits, and it's sitting perfect. Arse end back that way, away from that shallow lip. And we're in a bit of a pool here, so. The horizon this side's colours. Pretty damn good, pretty special. Righto, we are all settled in. About to go dark. How about this? How good is that? And a Cooper's. As the sun sets over the Great Barrier Reef, and I had a mental hook up on a GT, that first cast. Absolute blinder. And I go out the bed. Better shut up. Shut up. Shit, there goes more Joe Biden. I better shut up and get it done. I'll check in with you to see the Twitter here. Right, so bed's all set up. I just put the swag up on the cast deck. Looks a treat. Looks an absolute treat. It's good. It's good to have a little bit of protection if it does rain, you know. So just stays there, beautiful. I'll sort of charge up the. Fuck, that's not me beer. Don't tell me that was me bloody beer. Not the second one. No. Oh, that lucky. use that. Landed on the long tail. Still got a bit left. Oh, please. Right. Been one of those days. Bought 2 beers out and I've dropped both of them. Catastrophe, as they say in France. Alright, morning. Morning. We are on. Survived. Sun's just come up. Oh. Beautiful. Get up, get everything packed away, and we're going to go do a bit of sneaky GT around and then go jigging. Just some serious jigging this morning with our new jaw slingers. Righto, so I'm going to put a 9mm squid tracks on the lighter jig outfit. On the heavier one, Michael from Berserker very kindly sent me over a stack of his jaw slinger jigs. I've also got some chaos ones here that I'm going to try and drop down. These are a fantastic jig. I'm looking for 100 grams because it's pretty quiet current wise at the moment. That's the chaos. They're a slightly wider profile, more of a flutter jig. 100 here somewhere. That's him. Yeah, that's the that's 100 gram there. Great jigs. Bit of fruit on the side. Good strong BKK hooks. Jim Goyle. Beautiful. We are ready. Ready for action. First drop. First drop. Oh, it's a good one. Wow. Wow. I can't get a on it. Oh. So that 100 gram white Berserker jaw slinger, first drop, 2 jigs. And a solid fix, whatever it is. Woo! First dropper. Colour. Oh, it's the right colour. Oh, he's done it. Woo! He's done it, first drop. Oh, wow. Wow. Woo! Come here, bud. Cannot complain about that. Beautiful red emperor. First drop. I can't get over that. Is that white? 100 gram. Hang on, John, this in there. Oh. Hang on, buddy. Wow, I cannot get over that first drop. There you go. First drop. 100 gram. Berserker jaw singer. What a way to start your day. Unbelievable. Woo! That's epic. Another big one. Good for a few trouties this morning. Be nice. Looking like a trouty. Whoa. Honey hole's firing this morning. First drop, nice red. Second drop, perfect trout. 100 gram jaw slinger. Doing it again. Woo! Perfect. So that just shows the effectiveness of that jig and why I like them so much. Those jaw slingers, 3 drops, 3 quality fish. Mate, yeah, they're beautiful eating size trout. I love them. I think that squid on the side's got a bit to do it. Great jig. That's a big one. Sea snake just cruising around. There you go. Oh, got a reef daily double. Done this a few times now. On the metered. Woo! We'll keep the trout, the red's coming. Ow. Man, it's a fish in there. What's going on? Off in there. Jeebus. Having that time. On the squid. Oh. good one. Oh, it's a good fish. Oh, it's a good fish. Wow. Wow. Oh, some weight in it. Good, looks good. Oh. Wow. Alright, get him back in. He's huge. Oh. There you go. We're going to bend him and get him back. Rolling. You like the squid, huh? They're pretty juicy. Right, do this quick. Oh. Oh, some weight in that. Jesus. Oh, some good weight in that. Jesus, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh, that is a really good fish. Oh, there's your thumb. Oh, that's a good fish. Wow. Jesus. On the jaw slinger. Wow. Woo. Good school on Annie's in. And that's a good one. Phew. On that 100-gram jaw slinger again. Beautiful, Nanny. Found a good school down there, it looks like. We'll go back up. Have another drift. Beautiful fish. Very nice. Got him. Oh. Wow, that's a good fish. Oh, shark in that shit. No. Come on, there we go. Woo! Oh, these meatheads can find around Africa, can't they? The shark down here too. Time to go now. Shark. Tune on the top, sharks. Oh, there you He's not a huge one. He only just made it past that shark. Lucky for him, the esky's full, so he's going back in. Well, that might be us for jigging and stuff today. We'll start heading back in towards the roof. Cracking morning on the jig. Couldn't ask about that. Big nannies, big reds, big cod, on everything. Squid, jigs, meatheads. Good fun, really good fun. And I got a full esky.